What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, Rosie? You good? You good? You good? Just looking at GJ. Funny enough. Funny enough. Funny enough. But let's start with a bit of gold. Gold really pushed today. So we had a small bullish candle yesterday. Yesterday, gold did not do anything that I wanted it to do. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Is what it is. You know, today we respected yesterday's low, broke the high. We're pushing up above this minor daily resistance right here at 4,061. And we are heading up. We are heading up. I'm still bearish on gold, so any move up is just a chance for me to get a better position for the sales back down. Basically, 4 hour hasn't created any resistance, but we are in this 4 hour resistance area. Look, where we've got multiple 4 hour levels here. Wicks push down. So, you know, if gold wants to continue bearish, here would be a great place to start pushing back down. On a 1 hour, you know, 1 hour we don't really have much structure. We've pushed up from a low, made a high, and we're slowly pulling back. So if we're going to continue down, I need to see more bearish structure. If we're going to continue up, I need a support formed, you know, outside of this Asian range, and see if we can keep pushing. But for now, kind of looks like we are maybe coming back down. You know, look, rejecting this area up here wouldn't be a bad thing. If we start pushing back in the Asian range, I think we'll get some more sells. But if we stay above, then yeah, I think we're heading back up. So we'll see what we get today. So let's see. We will see. Oh, what else we got going on? So Nas pushing back up too. No push. Anyone catch any trades this morning? How's everyone's morning been? Hey, Yehuda, how are you? You good? How are you this morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world? Karen, how are you, Karen? You good? How's it going, Karen? You've been holding some really good trades recently. What's your secret? What have you been doing differently? Or you just locked in? I'm very good, girl. I'm very good. Very good. Rosie, you just closed GJ sells. That's what's up. That's what's up. How come you closed? Looks like GJ's still coming down. Looks like it's still coming down. Just decided to focus, but it hasn't been easy, but I'm trying. That's it. As long as you don't give up. As long as you don't give up. I think that's where that number comes from. The people that fail. That 90% of people that fail, or 80%, or whatever it is, it comes from people that give up. Alright, let's see. But yeah, gold. I'm just waiting to see what gold does, not gonna lie. I wanna see gold. It's pushing down from a 4-hour level too. I can see a pullback here. We had a really nice move this morning. Very nice move. Let's see. I think it's past some retracement levels as well. Yeah, so look, it's below the 20. So you know, if it pulls back more, maybe 4049. If we can drop there a little bit more. Are you in buys or sells? I'm not in anything just yet. I'm not on nothing just yet. I'm watching. I'm watching and waiting. Yeah, nothing yet. What about you? Is anyone in any trades just now, right now? I don't see no setups just yet. No setups for now. Look at GJ. GJ's still going. You said your TP was at support. 4-hour support? You're in gold sells short term and GU sells too. Oh, nice one, nice one. Ooh, GU selling nicely as well. Karen's in sales too. Okay, lovely, lovely. How long you lot trying to hold? Where's your TP? Yeah, it seems to me like, well, I like to look at DXY. What's DXY doing? DXY is pushing, which is good for gold sells. If you guys are in the sells, very good for the sells. $4.35. Okay, not too far away. Not too far. Alright, this 30-minute candle's just messing about. Did it break the highs? Yeah, for me to get into sells, I want to see price push back into the Asian range, and then I'll look for some entries. I hope you got a really good entry for these sells though, Karen. Let's split screen this. I like a good split screen. See what this 4 hours doing. The GU, one swing trade targeting daily support. Okay. Around 1325. The other GU trade is based off 4-hour time frame targeting H4 support. I like that. I like that. I like that. With most pairs, I like to trade zone to zone with a 4-hour time frame, especially. I think 4-hour levels get the best reactions. Very good for targets. It looks just like GU. Shoot, it could be the same pair. GU and GJ. Alright, 4 hour, flip bullish again. Oh, they're playing. Oh, and GJ's still dumping. I wonder what's going on. I wonder if anything's happening. No. I don't think anything's happening to make it drop. Oh, Israeli troops fired in the vicinity of its units. The war is ongoing. Shock. Alright, so if gold does decide to keep selling, where would be a good place to get in? I think I'd have to wait for this 1 hour to close. I'll probably have to wait for the new 4 hour candle at this point, because this current 4 hour candle is not really, it's not giving any direction, is it? It's not very bullish, it's not very bearish, hasn't broken the high or the low of this previous 4 hour candle. But the next candle, you know, it should give me a better indication of direction, I think. Because if we break, you know, the high or the low of this current candle, which hasn't had much volume, then I think it will continue in that direction. It depends on how strong this 4 hour candle closes too. If we get a nice strong bearish body, I think the next candle gives us a good pullback. Like it ends the pullback, this bullish pullback, and then we come down. That's my idea anyway. Because this is not really giving me no signs just yet. Alright, so we're re-breaking this 1 hour high. I think we might get another push up before we come down. New 30-minute candle opening. Oh, DXY is coming down. Sorry. No, Nas ain't doing nothing. Okay. Yeah, so for the sales, maybe if it continues bearish structure, you know, if the next candle, 4 hour, we open, get a push up, start respecting highs, close with a resistance, or even just start selling back down, then I think that would be a good entry to get in. Now look, this candle here could be that candle that I'm talking about. Create a little resistance, then the next candle could be good to get in. I mean, did we make a bottom wick for this candle yet? No, we didn't. Right here we have a candle with no bottom wick. It's perfect. Perfect. Ooh, all right, we're coming back down, come back down. Well, 4 hour, give us a nice strong candle body at least, because we don't have much of a body yet. This candle is very small in relation to that last candle. Okay, there we go. All you have to do is arcs nicely. Please, are you looking for a buy or sell setup? I'm looking for... I want sells. I mainly want sells. I'm looking to get in on some sells when I get the right move. No problem, no problem, no problem. So this right here is the Asian range. Shows the Asian session, you know, open and close. So if price can close back in the Asian range, I think the sells look even better. Also the fact that we're pushing away from like 4 hour resistance. Sells definitely looking good. Yeah. Just waiting for this 4 hour candle to close now. But I mean, look, we're closer to 4 hour lows than 4 hour highs. So I think we have a stronger possibility of coming down. Go on, push. Keep pushing. Come on, give us more of a push. So you plan to hold to TP or stop loss? Yeah, that's good. That's good. As a swing trader, you have to have, I think you have to have real confidence in your move to be a swing trader, you know that? Because you're holding for way longer. How long on average do you hold your trades? Like, do they last like 1 day, 2 days, or it's just whatever hits. Whenever it hits, it hits. As a scalper, someone that's in and out quite quickly, it always really, I'm always very impressed with people that hold their trades for days, especially on gold, because gold swings so much. I think it's so difficult to swing trade gold, like in this current market. I think it'll be tough. So I could never do it. You never know, you know. You never know. You never know. I think scalping is easier for people that have more time to look at the charts. But swing trading, you just sort of get your entry and then you just leave it. Just let it run. Because for scalping, because you're trying to be in and out so quick, you need a more precise entry. So there's a lot more waiting for that entry. Alright, so this candle here doesn't have a bottom wick. This candle right here has no bottom wick. And usually what happens is the candle that comes down to this area where price hasn't traveled with this current candle will normally come through and then close potentially like right above. Sometimes we don't get the candle that comes to make this wick will not close below this area, and then maybe the next candle will continue down. So that's what I think is happening right here. We're getting that bit of resistance where it's like it's holding price. Oh damn. Oh, never mind. Are we gonna drop then? Is that it? Give us a bit more. Just a little bit more. Feels a bit newsy. There we go. Look, feels a bit like a little news spike. Two oil tankers laden with Saudi crude make U-turns in Red Sea. Ooh. So the oil's not getting through? That's no good. I wonder how it's impacted DXY. Hasn't really done much here. That looks like it's coming down. Boom, boom, boom. Sorry. What's these pop-ups coming up, yo? Chill, chill, chill. Right, 30 minutes to this 4-hour candle closes, and then hopefully we can get a nice entry on the new 4-hour candle. So I just expect it to make a nice top wick, break this previous 4-hour candle low, and then keep dropping. I'm a day trader. I suck at holding for long, hence why I'm majorly a gold trader. But since GU swing setup is on the daily, I know it'll take a couple daily candles to hit TP, so I'll try to hold. Wow, entries based off the daily. Very nice, very nice. Okay. And the thing is, gold moves quickly compared to everything else. Like currencies are kind of slow. They're gonna take all day just to move 30-40 pips. Whereas gold can move 100 pips in a 30-minute candle, like real quick. Oh, where are we going? Gold is so confused that we've broken the high and the low of this previous 1-hour candle. Like, what are we doing? What are we doing? Wait, what's TXY doing? Furthermore, it's coming down a bit. Oh, nice little push up. Nice little push. Look at this bottom wick of this 30-minute candle. Oh, going back down. Oh, they're so confused. You said I hate this price action. Not hate it. Not you hate it. What can you do, man? What can you do? Oh. 8 minutes. 8 minutes to go. Give us a nice strong candle body. Go on, go on. That's it. Bit more of a drive down. I want a nice strong body on this 4 hour, man. Yeah, I think it's going to be next candle. I don't know if we close below 4054. I think we might hover above, and then the next candle give us that drop. But I really want to push back into, I want a closure back in the Asian range. It looks like we've just tapped Asian highs and then jumped up. My major outlook for gold is a sell-off to the daily order block at 4076, which already got tapped into today. I'll be targeting the weekly low around 3942. I love that, because my daily targets are usually, I start with 4 hour resistances, or 4 hour resistances or supports. I mean daily, sorry, daily 4 hour, daily support or resistances for targets. So if I'm looking for sells, my daily target would be down here, like 3975-ish down here. For buys, I actually had 4179 for buyers, but I'm not very bullish on gold anyway. I'm not very bullish, so I think we just push up to these little minor levels. Like we got to one already, 4060, and then we just drop back down. But 3942, I like it. I like it. I think we were talking about that yesterday or Friday. I think Friday. We had that level. That level was definitely on the radar. Alright, 2 minutes left for this 4 hour candle to close. Didn't break the highs, didn't break the lows. Hoping to get a proper bearish change of character, unlike H1 to size up my positions. Yeah, we don't really I mean 1 hour, I don't like that this 1 hour broke the high and the low. That's a bit annoying on the 1 hour. But 30-minute looks good. It's just I need a bit more, I need a few more confirmations. I want at least to push back into the Asian range. And then I think we can sell. First stop would be back down to Asian lows. For me anyway. Spliff, what's going on? You good? Yeah, first stop Asian lows, and then, you know, if gold wants to drop further, then we can drop further. Gold's messing about, man. I don't think it's going to drop below 4052 back in this Asian range. But I think we can sell back into this range. Alright, good. Make a nice little 4-hour top wick. Good little top wick, then flip, drive. That's the plan. Yes, Y pushing up. Where are we going, gold? Come on. But bearish structure is still there. We've still got nice bearish structure. No lower highs, lower lows. Just a very slow drop down. Very slow drop back down. I think this is just a top wick though. I'm hoping this is just a top wick. We don't have much of a bottom wick here, so I think gold can flip bearish and then we get a good drop. What's your bias on gold? Sells. Sells. I want some sells on gold. If I'm looking for buys, it's very short term. But my overall bias for gold is definitely sells. Definitely. is good, good. Flip now, flip and drive. Maybe the flip might even be a good entry, to be honest. Let's see, what's that? 70 pips. Going the wrong way, gold. Guy, what's happening? You good? What's up? What's up? Oh. Good, hoping my move plays out today. What are you looking for? You still giving up on Nas? You're looking at some US 30? Yeah, Nas still ain't looking too hot, to be fair. Yeah, you marked up US 30? Cool, cool, cool. Me, I'm looking for gold sales today. I'm looking for gold sales. DXY can keep pushing, that'd be great. But it's already looking good. And no, it broke yesterday's high. It's nowhere near yesterday's low. And yeah, DXY is looking good. Just needs to let me in now. Moen, what's up? You good? Yeah, I like gold sales just to get in, man. Without news this week, market should be steady. I mean, it should be steady, but then there's still a load of war news coming out. That's the only thing. When we don't get any news, when there's no economic data, I feel like war news is just, we get more war news. Yeah, so we're getting all these little red headlines still. Like, yeah, I don't completely trust a no news week. Do you know what I mean? But then, you know, last time we didn't have no news, you were still getting some decent swings. I like to play the overall bias, especially if there's no news. I'm expecting price to just, you know, follow the major trend. So if we're going to get this move up, I'm expecting, you know, we're bearish on gold. We did have this move up. I'm expecting the move to be retraced. Do you know what I mean? So exactly. So I'm just waiting for that drop where I can get in, where price is gonna come back down. Looking for sells, yes, Mo, and looking for sells for sure. I'm thinking about taking the flip of this 4-hour candle, but really I'd prefer if I could get in when it breaks this previous 4-hour low, just as a extra confirmation that price is actually going to drive down, because we could flip, come down, not break this low, and then continue pushing up. But if we break this low, I think there's a high probability of gold dropping. So that's what I'm really like waiting for. Oh man, my water's done. So yeah, man, hopefully I can get some good sells and no bloody war headlines pop up and do some foolishness. Gold is being real boring. You know what? I can't be mad at boring. We gotta come back down, man. This 4-hour no bottom wick. If anything, it has to do that at least. Do you know what I mean? It has to come back for this bottom wick. Yeah, we gotta come back and make that. If it can flip and drive as it does that, that'll be even better. How big would the stop loss be if I use the break of that low? This is the low. And then this current high. 100 pips, 96 pips. Yeah, it's not actually bad. It's not actually that bad. So the trade would be something like... Actually, no, that's not. Is that where the low is? 50. Yeah, about there. Something like that. And I wanna target Asian lows. Not bad. Little 500 pips. 500 pips to start the week off right, you know? Because I didn't take no trades yesterday. But this would be a great start. An amazing start. Is that asking for too much? 500 pips. First trade of the week. I don't feel like that's asking too much. If my 4-hour has no top wick, is that bad? On US 30? To be honest, is it on US 30? Is it on US 30 you talking about? For especially candles with no top wicks, with no wicks, I kind of use it more for gold. So I haven't looked at it. I haven't really looked at it with anything else, but the premise, mine does have one, but this 1-hour candle doesn't over here, I've noticed. But basically the whole concept behind candles not having top wicks is majority of candles have a top or a bottom wick. And then what I noticed specifically with gold is when candles didn't have a top or bottom wick, that price would come back down to that area. Price would come back down, and sort of like another candle, a future candle, would come back down and create a bottom wick, create a wick for that candle. So I know that's something that happens frequently with gold. I couldn't tell you how it works with other pairs, but the way I did test it was I looked at the chart and I looked at all the candles that didn't have wicks. I counted how many candles didn't have a top and bottom wicks, and I looked at how long it took for price to come up to that area. And majority of the time, candles came back to that area pretty quickly on gold. Anyway, when I was looking at gold, we came back very quickly. So like this one here, oh shoot, this candle here was the candle that had no bottom wick. I mean, look, this was at 6:30 this morning, so it was quite early for me. How long was this? 7 hours. So it took 7 hours for price to come back down to this area and then like come to this area that had no bottom wick. But we talk about it quite a lot here. We talk about it happening because it happens quite often. Oh, example, yeah. If I see a top and bottom wick on 4 hour, it sells. If you see a top and bottom wick on a 4 hour, it sells. You basically, whatever direction you want to take a trade, you want to see at least a wick on the other side of that candle. Like now, for example, now if I wanted to take buys, if I was looking for buys on gold, what would put me off taking the buys is the fact that this 4 hour candle has no bottom wick. So I know that price would come down at some point, create this bottom wick, especially for the 4 hour time frame because it's a higher time frame and they rarely don't have wicks on either side. I wouldn't take the buys until this candle has that wick. Yesterday I was looking for sells, but this 1 o'clock candle right at the start of the stream didn't have a bottom wick, so I would have preferred that price came up here first before like deeper sells. It didn't happen. Well, price just messed about yesterday, but look, we've come up to this area now. How long was this one? This one took, where did we come up? 12 hours to come back up here. Yeah, so it's just like something that I've just noticed over time. Yeah. I thought that was it. I thought it was going to get the flip and the drive down. Maybe we do. So yeah, once we've created that wick anyway, I can take that off. But yeah, I'm thinking about getting into sells once we break this low here. Because if we break this low, then we'll be pushing back into the Asian range. And, you know, we got a clean range down on the 1 hour. Aila, afternoon. I'm good. Hope you're good too. I hope you're good too. Come on, Goldie, give me that flip. Yeah, I'm thinking something a bit like this, you know. 1 hour super clean for the sales. That'll be something like that, something like that. Come on, gold. So close, so close. Still a lot of time left in this candle though, so it's not a bad thing that gold's going up first before it comes back down. It's not the end of the world. This is good. Go on. So it's not enough for this candle just to flip bearish. I want it to break this prior 4-hour low. I want it to break this previous low and then drop. Gold moved in London and is stuck now? Nah, definitely not. Definitely not. Gold ain't stuck. Gold is just, you know, it's setting up, man. It's setting up. You know, if I'd had a sell stop right there, I would be knocked into this trade and then I'll be in drawdown. So I'm just going to wait. You haven't traded in weeks. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Why is that? Why is that? It's just the market, you don't like the way the market's looked, or you only trade one pair and you've had no setups. Like, what's your reason? I can imagine not trading for like a couple days, but weeks? Are you a swing trader? Like, what's your reason? I mean, it's not a bad thing. Ash in the house. What's up, girl? What up? What up? I believe you're out of the buys you took this morning, last night. You only trade gold and I swing gold. Yeah, I can imagine. I can imagine. Do you know what? I was just saying earlier that if you swing trade gold, you're probably having a hard time because it's going crazy. It's up and down, up and down. It must be very difficult to swing gold. Yeah, I'm out now in sales now. Okay. Yeah, I'm looking to get into some sales shortly. Once we break this 4-hour low. Come on, gold. Just break this 4-hour low and then we out of here. Troy, what's up, Troy? Troy's our inside man. Troy's our inside man. He's our Mr. Gold. He's our Mr. Gold. So you must have some physical gold then, right, Troy? You must. There's no way you work in a mining business and you don't have any. I just need this 4-hour low to break and gold to sell down. What's your TP, Ash? I'm looking for Asian lows first. Asian lows, 4,000, you know, and then below 3975 back to this 4-hour support. You buy bullion? Oh, you buy bullion. I actually buy jewelry. I've been buying jewelry for like, how old am I? For 10 years. About 10 years I've been buying jewelry. In fact, I used to buy jewelry when I was younger, but it was just for fashion. Like for the past 10 years I've been buying for fashion, but also as an investment too. And collect real ground gold. Nice. Thank you for sharing your knowledge. Watching you live is helping me a lot. I hope so. I appreciate it. That's what I'm here for. If I can teach you anything, I hope it's patience. It's patience and waiting for your setups. Even if you don't catch the moves on stream, do you know what I mean? There's always, I hope to, always drop some type of information. Ooh. You about to be in something here? Waiting for a correction, then sell afterwards? Nah, I'm waiting to get into some sales soon. I want this 4-hour low to be broken. Oh, I'm looking for sales below 4051. Watch gold just slap through. Should I put a little sell stop on? Let me do that. Because gold likes to just be on some ish. We do that. Nope. Price sitting on Asian highs, man, for the second time too. But I think once it pushes through, I think it's gonna break. If this candle, at least if the 30-minute candle can close in here, I think we're good. Go on, push now. Push, push, push. Alright, I'm in a trade. I'm in a goddamn trade. Come on, gold now. Fly, fly. Did you take the buys up? Nah, I missed the buys up, man. I missed it. I missed it. I was out this morning, so I kind of missed London session. Yeah, I'm in a trade right now. I'm in. My stop loss is above this 4-hour high. It's my trade. We closed back in the Asian range. It's not a very strong close though, but we've broken the 4-hour low, so I just need that push. Come on now, swing. Come on, drive through the range. Drive through. Look, 1 hour. 1 hour is so clean. Only thing is these candle bodies have been so weak. There we go. Go on, push. Push. There we go. There we go. We out of here. I'm in gold. Let's go. We out of here. Oh, oh. Gold is jerking on us. Come on, gold. Don't be like this. Don't be like this, gold. Where'd it get to? Like 30 pips? The market open candle. What are we doing? Look. EXY is pushing. This is very good for gold sells. I just don't think gold realizes. Ash said, yeah, I don't know. What you don't know? What you don't know, girl? Yeah, it's swinging. It's really swinging. I would have liked a stronger close back in the Asian range, to be honest. I would have, but what can you do, eh? What can you do? You're not feeling this price action at Asian high? Yeah, it didn't. It wasn't a strong closure in that range, was it? I think if the 1 hour closed in there, if the 1 hour had closed in there, that would be better. But yeah, you got in at 40, 60 and 40, 50 exit after the 100 pips. Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. Not bad at all. Only thing I'm cautious about is like war headlines popping up. They've been popping up all day today and it's been spiking. Gold has been spiking around. Cool. Let's see. So there's not even like, I can't even manage this trade because all the the lower time frame levels are still up here. So I'm just gonna have to let it run. Like if it had a 15-minute level here, if this 15-minute closes like this and then the next 15 breaks the high, then at least I can close some. Please, I came late. How did you open and close? How do you know you are getting profit? Bro. That's a wild question. I just don't like how price is sitting there at Asian highs. I just checked the IC. Do you think H4 is going to engulf? I think the IC markets, you know how it goes. In the last 5 minutes, we're going to get a good push. But we got time. We got so much time for that. I don't see why it doesn't. Like, it's rejecting these 4-hour levels to the left. So I don't really see gold pushing unless news pops out and it drives gold. So I don't really see it, to be honest. But yeah, August, you know you're in profits if price is moving in the direction of your trade. So you should know where your entry is, and then you should know where price is. We have to start trading Asia because New York isn't doing it. You lot don't want me to sleep though? You lot don't want me to sleep? No, it's definitely not the best price action. It's horrible. Asian session. I mean, when did this move start? 12 o'clock? I don't even know where I would have gotten in Asian session, honestly. I don't even know when I would have taken an entry to catch the buyers up. Bear with me, my voice is coming back. It's getting there. I've had a rough weekend. Yeah. I need to go over some Asian session some more. But don't worry, there's an Asian session stream coming soon. I saw the retest before it spiked up, but then I said I was going to be disciplined and went to bed. Woke up and definitely regretted it. Oh, you slept on gold. You can't sleep on gold. What time is it where you're at? What time is it where you are? We speak properly. Literally slept on gold, I know, right? Right? Okay, so you know, we still haven't. Oh, Portugal, fala português. Fala português. Right, you just I can't even, do you know what? It's so funny. I can't even imagine trading that late. I would love though if my if my evening was NY session. I think I would actually like that. You don't speak Portuguese. Oh my gosh. What are you doing there? Are you on holiday? To be fair, that's the only thing I know how to say in Portuguese is speak Portuguese. Nas, do you know what? I don't like Nas. I'll be honest with you. I don't like it. It's not like, what is this? Where's it going? Maybe up. Nas is not nice recently. Am I still in the stream? What's happening? Are we here still? US 30's dropping nice. I was about to end. I think my internet just dropped and came back. Are we back? Are we good? Are we good? What's up, chat? We still here? US 30 is dropping nice. Well done, Sky, if you got this. Love that for you. We just need gold to, like, you know what I mean? Follow, all good? Alright, wicked. Good thing I didn't, like, crash out thinking no one could see me. I was like, one thing after another with this damn PC, but it's my internet. Love it. Alright, come on, Goldie, now. Drop for me. Alright, so we're back up like 15 pips, but you know, we were up 30 before. Come on, Gold. Alright, when it gets to 50 pips, if it gets to 50 pips, then I'm gonna lock in some and then I'll close some. August, what did you say now? I haven't seen how you set your entry, stop loss, and target. Just show me that. I appreciate that, so help me a lot. Okay, so I don't know if you were here, how long you've been here, but I said earlier, just before this 4-hour candle opened, I said I want to get in when price breaks this 4-hour low. So I don't show my broker, so you won't see specifically how I enter, but I'll explain where I want my entry, where I want my stop loss, where I want my TP. So I mean, if you go back maybe half an hour, maybe an hour on the stream, and just look for where you see me drawing this, like I drew this multiple times, like I drew this trading multiple times. Whatever broker you use, you need to figure out, like, what broker do you use? What platform do you use to take trades? I think if you're asking me how to get in a trade, you probably aren't using anything to get in. Are you using a demo account? Is it safe to sell gold? Yes. I'm currently in gold sales and I'm nearly at 50 pips. Oh, there we go. I'm at 50s. Right, guys. So stop loss to break even, and I've closed 80%. Because that's how I trade. That's how I trade, yo. Alright, so my actual entry is 50.10, 51.10. Okay, it's pretty much there. Yeah, I'm gonna just leave it at that. Right. Oh, not closed 50, I've closed 80. And just let this thing run. Let the runner run. Look, 4-hour broke the low. Look, August. Join the Discord. There's a link that was either 45 minutes ago. There'll be another one in 15, and then I will explain to you personally how to get in and out of trades. Yeah. Do you always close 80% after 50 pips? Yeah. Unless I'm really planning like a long hold. then yeah, I want to be in and out. Do you know why? Do you know why I do that on yeah. So most of the time I do. On stream, I'll definitely do that. And do you know why? Because I don't want to end the stream in a trade. I like to end the stream once the trade is closed. But if I'm still planning on, you know, price going further, then I'll take more entries after the stream. I have no problem with that. But yeah, I just plan to scalp on stream, and then if I mean, this could run. If this runs, I'll just manage my position and then stop. But I like to be in and out. You feel me? It's nice though. What, 60 pips? 50? Still 50 pips in profit right now. The runner. Holding US 30 yen gold. Manage your position, Sky. That's all I'm saying. Because gold could do anything. I hope you haven't full margined into this. Like, and my entries that I take on stream are for scalping. So breaking the lows, I do expect swings. After a move like this, where prices come down, I wouldn't be surprised if, you know, gold came down, came back up. Like, structure, create structure. You know what I'm saying? I don't expect it to just go straight down. So if it decides to retrace, then cool. I've closed some, boom. Now, I know that certain entries, certain strategies that I'm using are for scalping. Some might be for swing trading or for holding a bit longer. This strategy here, this kind of entry, is not for holding for long. I might have a long TP because that's where I expect price to go. But doesn't mean that it's going to go there from this particular entry, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. But that's my TP for the day. If I get another move, another setup, another entry, I'm taking that, and that's still going to be my TP for more sells. You get me? Come on, Goldie. Keep going. Right. Also, this, I like where I've closed some because we're at this little minor 30-minute support right here. So we could get a bit of a bounce. We could get a little bounce. Right. What are you saying? Right too. I just did a lot of talking there, but I know there's a delay and shit. I just did a lot. Sometimes I talk and I don't even know what I've said. I've just said so much. I'm like, you can respond and I don't know what the hell I just said. The M30 minor area. Yes. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Gold. Treacherous. This is what it does. Let's see how price acts now. Will it wick out in this range? It's this close to my break even. This close, guys. Look, this close. See how close it is? This close. This close. You're out of gold? Good. I hope you close some. I hope you got some. Ooh. Yep. All right. I'm out of gold too now. I'm out of gold, but well done, guys. If you caught it, snatch 50 pips out of gold. Snatch it. I think it works out to be about 40, 50 pips at 80%. And then hit break even, works out to be about 40. Next Monday I'll hop on stream with you. Got you. Cool. Where is my diary? When do you wanna do the practice stuff? I don't know what my diary is. When are you free this week? You wanna test some things out? What's the plan? What's the plan? Message me. Next Monday I'll play it. Just dropped to pick an NY Discord, some real ground gold. Oh, let's see. Ooh, that looks. This doesn't look like gold. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, from far away, that didn't look like gold. I'll be honest with you. That looked like some Cali buds or something like that. That's dope. Love that. Love it. When are you switching to London session? Gold nuggets. Let's get the likes up, chat. Yes, please. Come on, guys. Let's get the likes up. Appreciate you. What was you saying? When am I switching to London session? I don't know. I want to do it soon, but I could do both though. I want to do CPI tomorrow. I actually want to do GBP CPI tomorrow. But don't hold me to it. I don't know. We got this new Prime Minister in. Yeah, maybe next week. I think I might switch it up a bit. I'll do at least one stream a day though, for sure. Cause I think if I can get all my trading stuff early and my meetings early. Yeah. We'll figure something out. Damn, look, this is what gold does. It stops me out and then it continues in the direction of my trade. Gold is the worst. Gold is the worst. I still like the sells though. I do like the sells. I still like the sells. Let's see what other IC markets 4 hours doing. Yeah, 6 minutes. Yeah, I think gold is gonna come back down. You don't think it's gonna engulf, Ash? I feel like you don't think it's gonna engulf. Why not? Why don't you think it's gonna engulf? Did you see the fib I put up earlier? I was up 1,500 and closed with $21. How you let it run back on you, man? So do you get to keep that, Troy? Or like because because it's your job, you have to hand that in? Yeah, that's yours. Oh, nice. But then I guess there's cost to like processing it and stuff if you wanted to like do something with it. Just send me a gold nugget. Lose a whole diary. All right, so we are only 22 subscribers from 1,000. 22. I think we'll hit 1,000 by this weekend, by Friday. So Friday, I'll do the giveaway, and yeah, and then we'll schedule something for sure. If we see visible gold during a shift after a blast or white operation, then yes, it's all the mine's property and you're in serious shit by touching it. Okay. But you can still find it like afterwards. Wow. Imagine living near a gold mine. Yeah, that's sick. Nuggets are worth way more than bullion any day. Oh, so basically we can't have none. Got you. That's 195 grams. Because that's going to be pure gold. And then obviously if you want to make like 22, 18, 14, 9, you've got to start mixing. You have to start mixing other metals to get that percentage purity, so that like it devalues it, and then but even to do that it's gonna be like cost on top and all of that. You gotta melt it, mix it. It's a long process. Yeah. Almost 50% more than bullions, because bullions they've got to, like I said, mix it up in it, put it together, add your stamps on it and all of that stuff. Does Australia have diamonds? If it has gold, does it have diamonds too? Diamonds, I think, is a longer process though, isn't it? You gotta go deep. Alright. I think this 4 hours definitely gonna engulf right here. Yeah, and it's nowhere as useful in a brick form. Not really a diamond country, earth ground wise. Yeah, it's like Sierra Leone and South Africa and stuff. Yeah, in that brick form, that's it, innit? It's like whatever country puts their stamp on it. You get them sovereign coins, and yeah, it's more just like an asset to hold. But yeah, in that form, then you can mix it down, you can turn it into jewelry, you can sell it. Interesting. I'm scared to wear my gold around here, man. Gold's so expensive, I don't want to get robbed. I got like big chains and bracelets and shit. I'm a small person. Do you know what I mean? They could just pick me up, throw me in a boot, take all my stuff. Take my chain and my body. What country? I'm in the UK. I'm in London. But like they're big on stealing watches, like nice watches over here, knife point. Like I wouldn't say it's dangerous everywhere you go, but I still, yeah, I don't like phones. You walk around on the high street, like the shopping area with your phone out, there's a load of pickpockets, people that would like on a bike grab the phone out your hand and cycle off. Yeah, London is not really good for that. It's definitely not good for that. So people are desperate these days. Nice. All right, guys, that's my time. I think we get more sales. I do. Not really liking the fact that we closed outside of Asian range though. That was one of the big things for me for sales, and that we haven't managed to do that. Closing in the Asian range and then continuing down. Yeah, exactly, Ash. Yeah, we closed outside. Not liking that. Maybe we get more of a push up. But yeah, I don't like that. Just weird price action. But I think I want more sales. I just feel like the price action is going to be weird before themselves happen. Interesting. But yeah, guys, thanks for joining. Thanks for all the likes. Appreciate you. And I will see you guys tomorrow, where we have another day of no news. Whoop. Might possibly trade CPI, but I'm gonna look into it. If I don't feel like there's gonna be much movement, then I won't. I just remember one time I streamed pound CPI and ended up taking a gold trade. So that's a possibility. But yeah, man, appreciate it, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Later.